How to set side button, double press to quickly open magnifier on the Samsung Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, or the S25 Ultra. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top to open up quick settings. In here, tap on the settings icon. Then we scroll down in here, tap on advanced features. After that, we then go down and tap on side button. Now at the top here, tap on double press, tap on the left hand side panel. And from here, we go down and choose magnifier. So select magnifier from the list. After that, you can tap on the back key or tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Now if you double press on the side button, it will now open up magnifier. So you can use magnifier to inspect an object. You can capture, you can use flashlight to with your magnifier. And that's it. After that, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos. That is how you can set the side button when you double press to open magnifier on the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, S25 Plus, or the S25